Hello aviation lovers guys, very good morning to all. Finally Qatar Airways has again launched new vacancies to become cabin crew, right? So a lot of people, as you can see, that earlier there were vacancies only for two places, for example Delhi and for the Bangalore, right? Now, but again the things have been changed and Qatar Airways has again launched new vacancies for different places. Now Qatar Airways hiring at Chennai, Kolkata, and Goa. So guys, be ready. Those people who want to become Qatar Airways cabin crew. So guys, before starting the video, a lot of people they will be having certain queries, certain questions. Let me clarify that thing. A lot of people they will be asking, do Qatar Airways hire freshers? Obviously, guys, Qatar Airways they used to hire freshers. Now coming to the next thing, a lot of people they will be asking, do Qatar Airways hire male and female both cabin crew? Obviously, guys, Qatar Airways hire both male and female cabin crew. Now going to the next thing, a lot of people they will be asking, what is the salary package of Qatar Airways cabin crew? How much salary will I be getting? So guys, the Qatar Airways they used to give a salary package of approx 2,20,000 rupees per month. So if you want to become a cabin crew, if you want to live a luxury lifestyle, so guys, this is the best platform and this is the best opportunity to all people those who want to become cabin crew slash flight attendant. Now coming to the next thing, I have saw that a lot of people you have not subscribed my channel, right? So this videos are made by us so that you guys will be getting latest job updates. So if you have not subscribed, do subscribe it fast because I'm able to see that only 65%, right? Sorry, or not 36, only 34% have subscribed my channel and rest others they have not subscribed. Do subscribe it fast guys so that you guys can get the latest job update. Guys, one more thing is that every day at night 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. I used to come live in YouTube platform where I can clarify your doubts regarding the airport jobs, ground shop jobs, cabin crew jobs, and airlines. Right now, go to next thing. As you can see that the new batch has started for 1 March crash course, and guys, today is 1 March. So if you want to prepare yourself, and guys, if you are not getting enough guidance, if you want to make a career in airlines industry, so guys, my name is Ashish Kumar Sahu and I'm an aviation coach, and we provide online classes to you all so that you guys can become cabin crew slash ground staff in airlines industry. And the courses which we are providing is very much nominal charge. We are charging very much nominal fees, and in that fees also we are giving you free CV, free record lectures, free mock interview, PDF, notes, certification, secret strategies, and I am sharing my 10 year of experience with you all in just 15 days crash course. So guys, if you are interested, do send me a WhatsApp message in my number, that is 7999508444. Now guys, let's jump into the vacancy. So as you can see that Qatar Airways is conducting interview at Bangalore and closing date is 1 March 2023, right? So today is a closing date at Bangalore. Right now, coming next in Chennai. So Chennai closing date is 22nd March 2023, and closing date at Kolkata is 22nd March 2023. Next closing date at Goa is 22nd March 2023, right? So for Goa, Kolkata, and for Chennai, the closing date is 22nd March 2023, right? Now, next thing, what is the basic education qualification? So guys, as you can see, the basic education qualification is that you have to be minimum 21-year-old. So if you're 21-year-old, you can apply for the Qatar Airways cabin crew. So if you are, what if you are less than 21-year-old? For example, what if you were 18, 19, 20-year-old? So guys, in that case, you have to keep patience, you have to wait, and you can apply for the domestic airlines, because domestic airlines, they hire till the age of 18, from minimum age is 18, but for international airlines the minimum age is 21. Now coming next thing, what is the minimum arm reach? It means a lot of people they used to ask, what is the minimum height required to become Qatar cabin crew? So guys, the minimum height required is 212 centimeters. So what is minimum arm reach? It is that suppose if you raise your hands, right, so you should reach at least 212 centimeter on your tiptoes. That is the minimum arm reach required to become a cabin crew in Qatar Airways. Now coming next thing, what is the minimum education qualification required? So guys, the minimum education qualification required is class 12 pass. So at least you have to be at least class 12 pass. Now coming next question, a lot of people they will be asking, right, that what is the minimum percentage required? Minimum percentage required. So guys, there is no minimum percentage required. Although if you have scored 35% or 36%, you are enough eligible to become Qatar cabin crew. There is no specific percentage required. Now coming next, a lot of people they will be asking, again, one more thing is that they require a candidate those who are fluent in English as well as ability to speak other languages is an asset, right? They are looking for a person who are excellent in health and fitness, and they are looking for those people who can relocate themselves to Doha, Qatar, right? So now coming to next thing, a lot of people they will be asking, so what is the training charge? Qatar Airways, what is the training fee? Does the Qatar Airways charge? So guys, Qatar Airways charge zero training fee, right? Zero training fee. So it's an international airlines and they charge zero training fee. So suppose if you crack the upcoming Qatar Airways cabin crew interview, they will be charging zero training fee, plus they will be giving a salary of approx 2,20,000 rupees. A lot of people they used to ask, what are the facilities does the Qatar Airways give? So guys, Qatar Airways will be giving you a cab facility, plus they'll be also giving you a home house right? They'll be also giving you accommodation. They'll be also giving you a medical insurance, right? They'll be also giving a staff leisure travel, right? With the help of staff leisure travel, you can travel all over world with you and with your family members, and you will get the tickets with 90% discounted price, right? 90%. So these are the few facilities which the Qatar Airways employees will be getting. So if you want to become cabin crew, guys, this is the best opportunity and this is the best time. Right now, coming next thing, how we can apply for this kind of job. So guys, if you want to apply for this job, what you have to do is that you have to click on apply now button. And as you click on apply now button, you'll be again seeing a new page where you can apply for all this kind of things. So what you have to do is that you have to click accept, and as you click on accept, the new form will appear, and what you have to do is that you have to fill the form and you have to submit it. After submitting the form, you will be getting a new email. You will be getting a mail that yes, successfully you have submitted the form. And guys, once the interview is scheduled, what these people they will be doing is that they'll be sending you the mail with proper venue, proper time. So what you have to do is that you have to reach there and you have to give the interview. So guys, I guess you might have watched the videos. Second thing is that again you can apply for Kolkata base, and again the same thing will take place. And so suppose what do you want to do? Suppose if you want the link, so what you can do is that guys, you can join my Telegram group where you can get the direct link of each and every job, right? This is a Telegram group which is made by you. It's a free of cost because I just want to help people so that they can get the latest job update as fast as possible. So what you have to do is that you have to click on the link and you have to click on that Telegram channel, right? And where you will be getting the latest job update, you will be getting each and everything free of cost, right? So what you have to do is that just go down below the description, just check the Telegram link, click on it and join my Telegram group where I and you, we both will be connected and we will be sharing the latest job update as fast as possible. So guys, I guess everything is clear and cut. So if you want to become Qatar cabin crew and if you want to make your dream come true, so guys, Aviation Life has brought a new crash course for you all where I will be teaching you all how to crack Qatar Airways cabin crew, right? And one more thing is that we have various students. We have till now, we are running Aviation Life from past 1.5 year, and till now I have given 296 selections in airlines industry as a ground staff and cabin crew. Again, the question will arise in your mind: have you given selection in Qatar Airways? Obviously, guys, yes, we have given selection in Qatar Airways. As you can see that this is our YouTube channel, and as you click on I button, you can see that a lot of students, they have already got selected and they are working in Qatar Airways as a cabin crew, right? For more update, what you can do is that you can watch the into experience. They have shared each and every questions, plus they have shared each and every answers. They have shared each and everything. So what you can do is that you can scroll down and you can click on I button, and there you can see that how students are getting selected. You can see that the people are getting selected in Indigo Airlines. They are getting selected in Indigo Airlines again as a ground staff and as a cabin crew. A lot of people are getting selected in Akasa Airlines as a ground staff and as a cabin crew. And if you again scroll down, you can see that there are a lot of students who have already cracked the Qatar Airways cabin crew interview. You can see that Vanshika, she has cracked SpiceJet Airlines cabin crew interview. Anubha, she has cracked Qatar Airways cabin crew. And if you scroll down, you can see a lot of various students, those who have already cracked Qatar Airways cabin crew interview. So if you are seriously interested, right, and if you want to make it anyhow, and guys, this is the last shot, right? Because after again, once you appear for the interview, you have to maintain certain cooling period, right? You will be in certain amount of cooling period, right? So avoid that cooling period. Do join my classes. Come on, guys, fast. Do join my classes. Today is the last day, and in this classes, I'll be teaching you each and everything. For example, how to make CV. Even though I'll be making a free of cost CV for you all, so that you guys can crack upcoming airlines Qatar Airways cabin crew interview. We'll be discussing about each and every questions. We'll be discussing about each and every answers. We'll be discussing about grooming session. We'll be discussing on each and everything. So if you want much more detailed knowledge, what you can do is that do subscribe my YouTube channel. Second thing is that do send me a WhatsApp message because seats are very much limited. And I guess already almost seats are left. Almost seats are filled up, and only few seats are left, right? For example, I guess 5 to 6 seats are left, right? So if you're interested, do send me a WhatsApp message only and only if you're interested. So guys, this was all about the video. Tab tak ke liye bye bye, take care, namaskar guys. Jai Hind to all. Do send me a WhatsApp message only and serious students and only students who want to join the crash course. So this was all about the video. Let's meet in the next video and let's meet in the crash course. Bye bye everyone.